Here's the ramp. Not surprisingly, it looks like a ramp. Again, it's a discontinuous function in time. It's non-linear. Values greater than or equal to 0. The output is simply a times the time. So a is the gradient. Oops, excuse me. A is the gradient of that function. Any value for time less than 0, by definition, is also 0. And there is the Laplace function that represents it. If the gradient A is 1, it's referred to as an unit ramp. And you can see, I guess, if you look at these Laplace functions, this one, the step was 1 upon s, the unit step. This one is 1 upon s squared. And there is a logic to that, because if you look at the shape of this function, this is what you get when you integrate a unit step. Okay, if you think about the area underneath the graph for the unit step, and you plot that, the ramp is what you get. Okay, so these are very closely related mathematically.